All right, we're gonna clean up the back now, but the first thing I'm gonna do is smooth out this cape. So what I like to do is just grab that flap there and just pin it to the shoulder with a clip so that we have a nice smooth cutting surface. Let's take a look. I always take a look, draw an imaginary line in my mind's eye, and then cut. So you can see it's a little shorter up here, a little longer there, but I'm gonna use this as my starting point, and I'm just gonna arc that right like that, and then down like that into a nice round shape. Let's do it. One trick, if you find that you can't get both sides the same, is to cut both sides in the same direction. So if you see, I cut everything from here into the middle, and then I'm going to go to the other side and cut everything from here into the middle. So much cleaner. So satisfying. And then once you get your shape cut in, cut against the way you originally cut to pick up any stray hairs that you didn't get cutting in the other direction. Beautiful shape.